Okay, what's your name?
Ben Mullen.
Ben?
Ben.
Ben, B-E-N.
Yep.
Ben Mullen.
Ben Mullen.
And Ben Mullen, you're the owner of this beautiful 3100 panel.
Yeah.
And it's not a panel that you would see the Helms Bakery truck. It's more like the fire department would have. What's the history on it?
You know, I grew up in this truck. I went to preschool in it and everything else. My mom drove this truck. We bought it from my cousin. And first time he left town was in this truck, and first time I left town was in this truck.
Really?
Yeah.
Why'd you leave town?
We were going to go visit some family.
Oh,
and
I
stuff
see,
like
I see.
that. We went across country. My grandma drove, and my mom went, and we went.
Thought maybe you were on the run.
Oh no.
Who restored it?
I did.
Oh man, nice job.
I just didn't do the paint. I did everything else. Yeah.
Way to go. Well, I think on my car it's the same story.
Yeah.
But I did it 3 times. I've owned it for almost 60 years.
Well, I've owned, yeah.
Yeah, so this is almost up there with her.
Yeah.
Oh, that dash is so nice. I saw that earlier. God, that's so clean. And my dad had a 57 pickup truck.
See?
And he used to deliver chickens in it. But
my sister ended up with my grandma's car, and it was a 57 Chevy too. Pickup truck, short bay. Yeah.
Wow, this is so cool. Oh man, beautiful.
My mom's got it. I took her for a ride in it. Well, she actually took me for a ride in it a couple weeks ago.
Look at this thing.
I rode in the back and let her drive in the front.
And whosever idea was the wheels, it was perfect.
Thanks.
Perfect. What are those, 20s or 18s?
17s.
17s.
17s. I didn't want to get too much.
No,
it's a heavy truck.
It fills the wheelhouse perfectly.
Yes.
First thing I noticed. So I see you're out there conserving trees, I see.
Yeah, my mom used to have that on the truck.
Okay, Mom. Wow. I
redid the bed and everything else.
This is absolutely just, you can't overdo these too much because then it takes away from its original design.
No.
I mean, the mechanisms they used on this compared to what they use today that fail, you know, the hydraulics or the struts.
I hit my head on this so many times walking around back there when I was a kid. It took me all these years to realize what I need to do.
Ben, you outdid yourself on this, buddy, and it's your inspiration.
It's got a lot of history.
Yeah, that's your inspiration, I think.
I went and seen Superman at the drive-in in it. My mom made a bed in the back. We all fell asleep at the end of the night. I remember her shutting the doors. So me and my wife went and seen Superman. Superman just came out.
Yeah.
Went in this, just to kind of.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. Is the gas spill in the same location?
Yeah, same location.
Good.
It's got a straight axle on it with no power steering, just like my mom had.
Got the Armstrong. And just.
I remember sweating my ass off going across country in the back of it, so I put air conditioning in.
I mean.
I have photos of my mom.
I believe it.
I have photos when I'm walking away from it.
This is the air conditioning back in the day.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So what does the engine look like if the outside looks like this? I can only imagine. Oh yeah, that's nice. Clean. Yep, no, I hear you. I appreciate that. Clean. What I try to do is get some pictures of how you do things to share with others. You know, because people who might want to think about adding a V8, and if they got a stick, you can
This one actually came with a V8.
It came with a V8.
Yeah.
So my car has a blower on it, so I haven't seen my distributor in probably
a decade.
Yeah, probably. It's beautiful, man. Good job on this. And way to get the bolts done. And, you know, you.
The painter did that. I don't know why. I think he put it on. Tried to put this underneath it, and yeah.
Did that take paint off?
Yeah, if I take it off, it'll take the paint off.
Oh man.
So I don't bother.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. I leave it. That's the way I like.
Yeah.
That is so nice. That is so nice. I saw it from afar. I go, wow.
I make custom things too for it. I made the back latch to get out the back door.
The inside latch?
Yeah, you couldn't.
They
didn't come with an inside latch. My mom had a hole cut in it and used to stick your arm up there, but it was sharp. So I've been working on that since I was a kid. I made the latch for it.
I imagine you thought about it for many years.
Many years. So When the door's shut, that opens it.
I saw this. I wasn't going to say anything because I thought it was a handle, but it is.
No, it's see, it opens it up when the door's shut.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
Yeah, because when you're in the back, you can't get out. You have to wait for someone to come around.
Now, is that plastic or metal?
No,
It looks.
that's not plastic.
It looks plastic.
That's from 1957.
My God, it looks plastic, and it's not. It's metal.
No, that one's not gonna. Yeah, it's not gonna snap.
Really cool.
Yeah.
Ben, I don't know what to say. It's my top pick of the day. There's only like 4 or 5 cars there, but
still, yeah.
you're still good job.
Thank you.
Good job. Good
Thank you.
job. I don't know what to say. It's a 1957
Chevy panel truck.
panel truck, 3/4 ton, right?
Half ton.
Half ton?
Yeah, it's only 6 lug nut.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, because you put
It's a short bed.
because you put, I guess, because of the bigger tires and wheels on it.
Yeah, it's only a half ton.
So my Chevy trucks always had like split rims.
Yeah.
What are those? 16s?
Yeah, the
16 5s or
Yeah.
something like that. Well, thanks, buddy. I appreciate it, man. It's gonna be on my YouTube channel tonight.
All right, we'll look it up. Thank you.
And just ask that you subscribe to my channel.